Hello and welcome all to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, we are going to study what is system of linear equations. A system of m linear equations, in n unknowns x1 x2 up to xn is a set of equations of the form a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus and so on plus a1n xn is equals to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus and so on plus a2n xn is equals to b2 and so on, am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus and so on plus amn xn is equals to bm. So these are m equations. So this is the first equation, of course linear equation. This is the second equation and so on. We have m linear equations. So these are m linear equations. In how many unknowns? What are the unknowns? The unknowns are x1, x2, xn. So there are n unknowns. M linear equations in n unknowns. The numbers a11, a12 and this a21 up to amn, these numbers are called coefficients. And this b1, b2 are constants of the system. This system of m linear equation in n unknowns is said to be homogeneous if all these by's are 0. If all this b1 is equals to b2 is equals to bm is equals to 0, then so if all this b1, b2, bm is equals to 0, then the system is called homogeneous system of equations. Homogeneous system of equations. If at least one of the bi is non-zero, if at least one of the bi is non-zero, then the system is called a non-homogeneous system of equation. A non-homogeneous system of equation. So we have two system of equations, a homogeneous system of equation and a non-homogeneous system of equation. If all these b1, b2, by are 0, then we have a homogeneous system of equation. If at least one of them is non-zero, we have a non-homogeneous system of equation. Now what is solution? So a solution of system is a set of numbers x1, x2 and xn which satisfy all above equations simultaneously. simultaneously. So if all these values, if x1, x2, xn satisfy every equation here, then this x1, x2, xn is called the solution of this system. This system of equation can be represented as a matrix Ax is equals to B. The system of equation can be represented in a matrix Ax is equals to B, where A is equals to A11, A12, A1n and so on, AM1, AM2 and AMN. X is equals to x1, x2, xn and B is equals to B1, B2, Bn. So this A will be an m by n matrix, this X will be an n by 1 matrix and this B will be an m by 1 matrix. This A is called as coefficient matrix because it consists of the coefficient matrix. This X is called the solution vector and this B is called as the constant vector. B is called as the constant vector. So if this matrix B is equals to 0, we get a homogeneous system of equation. If this matrix B is non-zero, we get a non-homogeneous system of equation. So this system of equation can be represented by matrix form Ax is equals to B. Now to solve this system of equation, we need another matrix which is known as augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. So this augmented matrix is given as this symbol and it is defined to be a matrix like this, which consists of coefficient matrix as well as the constant vector. So it will be given by this A11, A12 up to A1n, and it will also have this matrix B, B1, B2, Bm. So A21, A22, A2n and Am1 up to Amn. So this matrix A/B is called as the augmented matrix and it will be useful to solve the system of equation. Solving the system of equation means we have to find the solution x1, x2, xn which satisfy this system of equation simultaneously. Thank you.